got a surprise for Elsie. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
How much?
100.
Oh, what does that mean?
100 billion.
Oh, I've got a surprise. Oh, I've got a surprise. Yoo-hoo! It's a present. Do you want to open it? See what's in it?
Yeah.
It's like it's your birthday.
Wow! Wow!
What is it?
It's a Lego ice cream van set.
Our guests today are being naughty.
Yeah, she just fell down when I knocked her.
That's okay. So what have you got?
I've got a Lego ice cream van,
It's an ice cream truck.
and I think I've got that money.
Yeah. It's Lego Friends Easy Build Juniors. Juniors Easy Build Lego Friends ice cream truck.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
I think I might need scissors.
I think you might need help too, so should we get your big brother to help you with this?
Yeah, big brother.
He's good at Lego.
Yeah, he's stronger than me. I wonder how many pieces there is.
Let's have a look.
Oh, he's part of the van,
Let's have a look.
and here's
The instructions.
I thought it would put it. Can you?
Let's have a look what's in them bags.
Oh, it comes with a little puppy dog.
Let's have a look where. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's so
Yeah,
cute. It's so cute.
What's in this one?
This
I haven't
is.
seen any ice cream yet, unless that is one right there.
I see an ice cream cone in there.
Right then. This is bag one.
Yeah, so you're gonna open up bag one.
That one first, and then this is bag two.
And I think this is part of the ice cream. It didn't even come in a bag.
It didn't come in a bag.
No.
It is definitely the bottom of the truck.
Should we keep that there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open bag number one. Brother, you can
Open
read
it like a packet of crisps. Pop it. Yay.
Wow. A lot of pieces. Oh, look at the little puppy dog.
It's really cute.
It's so cute.
Oh, there's another bag inside that bag.
Oh. I just thought it come in the whole bag.
This has got the really, really tiny pieces in it. Look, there's an ice lol.
Yeah, and there's a camera.
Show everyone. Look, it's got a tiny little ice lol in there. And a camera. And some money to pay. Look, it's got a $100 note. £100 note. And it's got some little ice creams. Oh, it comes with girls too.
And there's
A flag.
a flag.
Comes with girls too, look. I wonder what her name is. She is obviously a Lego friend. She's gonna buy some ice cream. Yum. Yum,
Oh, I
yum, yum.
need a little basket.
So does it show you where you need to start? Oh yeah, Mitchell's built her already. Clever.
So I need to build the other one. If I knew how he went.
You see on the instructions?
I've got it.
Oh yeah, there's two. She's eating her eyes, look. She's eating her eyes, look. Look. I'll see.
Ah!
can lick her ice log. That is cool.
And then there's my little dolly.
Oh yeah, let's have a look at her closer. I love her hair, look. I love her hair. And she's got a camera. Oh, knocked her over. She's taking a picture. Smile!
Cheese.
Healthy smile!
Cheese.
So they're done.
Oh, it comes with 2 ice logs so they can both have an ice log together.
Oh, that's a good idea. She keeps falling over, so we're just going to sit her down.
Let me put the ice log in her hand so she can have 2 things. Hey! Oh.
You pulled her head off. Whoa, look, she's got awesome sunglasses that fit in her hair. Like that, so it looks like she's got sunglasses on her head.
Put her hair back on because she looks weird.
Oh, look, the dog's got a bow. That is cool. Look, how cute is that?
Look.
She's got a camera, she's got an ice cream, she's got her sunglasses on, she's ready to go. Elsie, look at that dog.
She's so cute.
It's super cute.
And I've already found on the flag. Where does the flag go? I don't know where the flag goes.
Yeah, we haven't come to it yet. Look, this stage is to put the dog.
Oh, she's made an ice cream.
Wow. Look, because he's following the instructions. Look, can you see? It says to build the girl, and then put the glasses on her head and put the bow in the dog's hair, and then to build the ice cream. Let's have a look at step 3, Elsie.
Okay.
Ooh, what is that? Oh, this is the flag, I think. The next step is the flag.
Nom nom nom. The doggies eating the big ice cream. I've already made the flag.
That is really good. This is a flag to show it's an ice cream station. We're just going to build it all, guys, really quickly, and then we'll show you at the end. This is super cool. It is the till where you pay, and it's got the ice cream to check out with the till and the money. Super cool. A little eating area to have your ice cream. the ice creams are.
Can I see? How much is that?
That's 2.5. I don't know whether that means it's £2.50 or 25p. It says 2.5.
And that's £3.
Yeah. How much do you pay when the ice cream van comes round here?
I don't know. I forgot. I don't know.
What ice cream do you have off our ice cream van, Elsie?
I have a tub with some marshmallows.
Woohoo! And you love it. And you have red sauce.
Yeah, and sprinkles.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the sprinkles.
And I have doubles.
Maybe we could do our own ice cream making video.
Yeah, if I had an ice cream maker. Maybe when it's Christmas we can ask Santa for an ice cream maker.
That's a brilliant idea.
And then we can do a video on Christmas.
Yeah.
And here are the 2 little ice creams. The ice cream van.
Woohoo! It's
Okay.
all done. That is really cool.
And look at that.
That is awesome.
That's one big sundae.
Here comes the ice cream van. Whoa! Stop!
And it's Nina in back.
So, these,
Mom.
just to let everybody know, these are all spare bits.
Yeah, like
So,
Carol.
maybe if any go missing or they're just spares, so maybe you could pop them in a little storage tub
Yeah.
and keep them as a spare.
Yeah.
So, this is really cool. All the little ice creams are in the holders. That is super, super, super cool.
Yeah.
So you put her in there.
Hey, look. That ice cream hasn't got a topping.
Oh yeah, so we could use this topping, so that's
No,
nice there.
I
You want chocolate?
want topping.
Stop! Stop! I want an ice cream! Stop! Wait for me! You've got your dog. Let's put this little bench here.
Oh yeah, we can't have the ice cream in her hand. No. Because she's a grown, because she's selling them.
Okay, pop it in the back of the truck then, look. Hey Elsie!
Hey Casey!
You want to buy an ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh, what flavour would you like?
Can I have a drink for my pet doggy, and can I have a chocolate, and can I have a green ice cream?
Okay, no problem. That's $100.
Here's $200.
I only need $100.
Yeah, the one for the milkshake as well.
Oh yeah. $200, please.
There you go. Oh no.
Get that in. Thank you. Here's your ice creams. Don't forget your lovely sauces. Come and get some sauce on your ice cream.
Are these the sauces?
Hold on. My head's fell off.
Oh no.
Would you like some help with your sauce, Elsie?
No, thank you.
What flavour would your doggy like? Would you like some red?
No, some of the green. Your ice cream van is running away from me.
It is rolling.
And can I have some red sauce on mine?
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh no, my money fell out.
Right, I'm gonna go then to my next customers. Sit
Bye.
on your bench and enjoy your ice cream.
Bye.
Bye, Elsie.
Bye.
I think I'm gonna have a little sit at this bench and eat my yummy ice cream.
Let me sit down.
Oh yeah, I've got my doggy and he's gonna sit and eat his ice cream.
Oh no! He fell down.
Say bye everybody.
Bye.
So don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye.